Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw application from Accenture. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So say for example, you have already applied here in Accenture. Say for example, this position right here and you want to withdraw it. What you can do is just hit the Apply Now button right here, and you should be redirected to Workday. Now once you are redirected to Workday portal, what you are going to do is check here. You have applied for this position and then click View My Application. Once you have done so, you should be redirected here and now you have an active. You can go ahead and basically click this one right here and choose to withdraw my application. Click Withdraw once again in order to confirm this one. So once you have done so, if we are going to go back there, My Applications, you can see that now you have officially canceled it. So that's basically how you can install Magi's TV on Fire Stick. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.